What's up, you degenerate? Scott Barnes here. We've got a Stevewilldoit. We're going to go off cuff. We're going to take a right turn from the blackjack because I've been looking at my analytics, and I know we all love Stevewilldoit and his degeneracy, and especially his gambling degeneracy. We've got Uncle Tim, and Stevewilldoit. They were betting on the Boston Celtics versus the Dallas Mavs, and it wasn't looking too hot because I think they went all in on the Boston Mavs, and it wasn't a good game, as you guys would know, and that follow. So let's just dive into it. Let's watch the abomination of what it is. Love you guys. You guys know how it goes. Steve doesn't have a YouTube channel, so just go over there and follow him a kick. Like and subscribe over there. That being said, guys, let's hop into it. Let's get into the degeneracy of Stevewilldoit. God, this guy is...
this sucks.
This guy's crazy. And I had a blurb about
the worst thing
comments,
ever.
man, because it's pretty bad.
Hey, the live's 209. I just need 211.
Oh no!
What? How is Luka that bad?
He's fat like me, but he's a lazy white guy.
God, look at that facility, man. Oh my God, how many screens are there?
Turn it on. Like, I swear to God, like Michael Jackson, like, this shit, let's out. Bow! You want it, bow! He's like, no! Watch. He's gonna fucking let it out. You let that man! He's so, you don't know it! Watch. He's fucking slow playing. He's playing classic.
Here we go. I'm gonna make a drink. Here, just hold this. Just entertain.
You're not allowed to drink. You told me you're not drinking.
I know I wasn't. But
why do we both lie to each other all day long? I won't drink. You won't drink. I won't gamble. You won't gamble. We won't. We just lie to ourselves all day.
I had to do that.
I say it every day to myself. I wake up. I go, I love God and the universe, and the universe says,
fucking hell, Timmy.
You gotta help me.
Mic check. Mic check. All right, we're good.
All right, guys. We have 100,000 on the over.
And Steve's gonna lend me 50 because, like, lend. He usually gives it to me, but I will actually pay him back. But I'm in a lot of trouble with Armenians and Russians. It's not a big deal. It's not a big deal. It's not that big of a deal. Does it feel good? You know I'm bad. You won't smoke.
Explain the streaming situation or the betting situation.
We're in a lot of trouble. What we were looking for was a close basketball competition, and what we have is a blowout in Boston. Both teams, as Doris Burke said, and I love her, by the way, are looking sluggish, tired, if you will. But what I think, as a beer-drinking man, I think Luka is playing tired. This fourth quarter, he's going to light it up. Now, I promise you this. He's going to tighten it up. This game's going to be tightened up, Bo. It's tightened up. But what I need from my man Steve is a lot of points scored. But I'll tell you what, Dallas is scoring. Percentage going to go up, big man.
How wasted is this guy? How wasted is this
guy? Oh, no! Oh, no! Every time Dallas scores a three-pointer, I go, baby, Lindia! Come on, let's dance. No more play calling, just shooting. Come on.
So cool.
I'm not here for the play calling. Look at you, Boston. You're nervous. You're fucking nervous. Oh, you're fucking nervous, aren't you now? Here it comes. Here it comes, the big fat beer drinking mate. Oh, the Slovenian. Oh, baby, Lindia. Give him on one. Oh, right back up. Come on, Duke. Fuck you, Duke. You fucking miss all the time. You're 10 feet tall.
Oh, dang, they got YouTube TV down there, too, on the ads.
We need this, dude. Lucas running.
On the basketball court.
That's a fucking foul.
Dude, they got a scaffolding in there? This is crazy.
I take it back, Lively. That was a fucking foul. This is 100% a foul. So good or foul, Derek White? What are we talking about here? He fucking slapped his hand. Punch this guy in the woods. You're out of bounds, fuckface. Take that 9. All right, here we go. No more games. No more fucking games, mate. Gotta have the civilian. Here it comes. Come on, big man. Now's your time to shine. The fuck is this bullshit?
10 minutes left on the fourth quarter.
Jesus Christ, homie. What, we shooting in high school? Hit the back of the rim, big man? Dude, a minute's gone by, no scoring. At least they fouled. 2 fouls. Dude, we're down by 19. How am I going to get back home and survive?
Dude, $100 and some
I'm
$1,000 on the game. That's crazy.
I owe 180,000.
Have you guys noticed that he looks like he matches?
I've got no
Luigi?
money.
And they all chose.
Got baby in India.
They're
Boy,
complaining
here.
about the Boston Celtics winning
Nope.
as they're all wearing
And
as
nope.
we got a green background. It's like he's matching.
Dude, we need overtime. At this point, we need overtime. We need overtime.
What's the live over-under?
Like 180. We're so fucked. We need overtime. At this point, just root for Dallas. Root for baby to India. Root for the baby to India. Do you want to walk with this fucking thing? I don't even know. I gotta get out of here. I've been home in weeks, dude. You got a wife, a dog. Jesus, Jason Tatum took an elbow to the face. Did you see that? See Washington Jr. just elbow fucking Tatum in the face? Jesus.
Overtime is. I'm
fucking
read the
in, man.
comments.
This is insane.
No, it's not insane. We're getting fucked. We need Dallas to come back.
Overtime is
At
not
this
happening.
point, don't even root for Boston. It's Dallas.
Who in their right mind?
If we get a tie, we got a shot.
Uncle Tim, 180K.
All right, come on, we need scores.
Oh, baby, India! God damn it! How are they missing wide open layups? Fuck! Look at these, dude. This is not good. They're not trying to shoot. They're dribbling the ball out. We're fucked.
It is hilarious to watch Steve smoke. Watch, he'll hold it in.
All right.
Still
all
holding
right.
it. Still holding
No,
it. Still
fouls
holding
are
it,
good.
Still holding
Listen,
it.
bonus. We gotta get the fucking bonus, man.
What's the live over-under?
I'm fascinated.
Yeah, we're in
when
a
he
lot of
smokes.
problems. We've got
Watch,
to tighten
I'll
the
go
game
to
up,
you
mate,
again.
or we're fucking
Hold
fucked.
it. Hold it.
Because if they pull
Hold
the
it.
starters out, you
Hold
saw
it.
what happened this
Hold
last
it.
time. It's
Oh
not
my
good for you.
God. Let's
Come
do a
on,
Mississippi
you guys
count.
are not out of this. You're down by 19.
I want to know in the
Just
comment
cut it to
seconds
10.
how long you think on the Mississippi
Please.
count.
Yes, sir. And one. And boom. Right back up.
1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5. 5 seconds. He does a 5-second
The
cigarette.
problem is
They're
they're
not hitting this, dude. We need over 210.
right up. Oh my God, Luka.
This is a joke.
He's so-
Are you guys
he's-
watching this?
Yeah, I'm watching you try to clip on your clipper.
There's no
You're
way he
so
makes
wasted
that.
you can't even do it.
Dude, this is a joke. It's been 3 minutes, no scoring.
1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi,
No, they
5
haven't.
Mississippi. Dude, a 5 or 6 Mississippi hold? That's insane.
There he is. Big pull up.
All right, chat. We need Dallas to come back. Let's see. There's no way. Are you guys watching this? It's a joke. Kyrie ass. Luka's ass. KA's ass. T-Dog's ass. This is the worst.
180K on
Yeah,
Mavs.
Dallas sucks. They suck right now. Timmy just borrowed money from the cartel. Worst finals of all time. Dude, how many points does Luka even have? Dude. Luka. Yeah, guys, how many points does Luka have? 14. 18.
Hey, State Farm.
Dude, this sucks.
Oh, is that it? No more sound? Oh, man. Hey, that just shows you, dude. 100, what was it? 185 on the Celtics versus the Mavs. I think they were obviously going for the Mavs. I'm surprised. Ooh, boy. Well, that just shows you the degeneracy and the lifestyle. If you guys like this and you guys want to get into the realm of them doing their stuff like at the shop, we'll call it that. Them at the shop. Let's do it. We'll see how the metrics do on this. That being said, you guys, I love you. Thank you so much for watching. Did 4 videos today, so that's pretty stellar. We'll keep pumping them out, man. Love you guys. We'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.